Here's how to reset your Instagram Explorer page and remove unwanted content. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Now tap on the profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen and then select the three lines in the top right to go to Settings and Activity. Now from this page, you need to go to the option of Content Preferences. Select it, which is between muted accounts and like and share accounts. Now select Reset Suggested Content. Instagram will explain the process. Then tap on Next from the bottom. Then tap on Reset Suggested Content again and confirm by tapping the Reset in the pop-up, and your Instagram Explorer page will be now reset with the fresh content. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.